Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel, dog, tiger, frog. How many days are there in a week? 15 days, 8 days, 7 days, 9 days. How many seconds make 1 hour? 3,500 seconds, 3,600 seconds, 36,000 seconds, 2,600 seconds. Name the biggest continent in the world. Africa, South Africa, Asia, America. Which color symbolizes peace? Red, black, pink, white. Name the largest planet of our solar system. Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune. Name the first man to walk on the moon. Saeed, Rakesh Sood, Brainstorm, Neil Armstrong. What type of gas is absorbed by plants? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, neon. Name the longest river on the earth. Nile, Ganga, Amazon, Koshi.